Look at what we got for today's template. We have a custom instant ramen packet. Cute, ain't it? All right, so let's get straight into the tutorial. But if you came here and you did not purchase the template, you can find it at thecraftprintshop.com. And if you did purchase, well, let's get to work. And don't forget to subscribe. Once you've purchased the template from my website, thecraftprintshop.com, you're going to click on the link that tells you go to the template, and this is where you're going to end up. If you found this video from YouTube or Instagram or just from a search and you did not purchase the template, the link to purchase will be in the description of this video. So you're going to select use template for new design. It's going to take you here. Now, all you have to do, you're going to double click the name and you're going to type in the name that you want. Now it's long, so you're just going to, for longer names, just drag and then just size it back to where it's right above the design. Then don't forget down here, you also have the name as well. So you're going to change it to the person's name. We're going to expand it and shrink it to make it fit right above, right there. Now, that's it. You're done. You have your custom instant ramen wrap. Now, if you want to change anything, you could just select these pieces that are certain colors. Click at the top here and change a color if you'd like. Go back. If you want to do it, if you have a certain party you're having and you want to have pink, this is how it's going to look, right? Also, if you want to add an image, it's the same thing. You're going to go up to upload, choose your image. I'm just going to size it. Then you need to remove the background. That's up here. But with the background remover tool, you see the little star here. That means it's part of Canva Pro. So you will have to pay for Canva Pro, which is about $12.99 a month. We're going to select that. And look at that. Background removed. We're going to print this one. Now this right here, I was playing around with this before I even did the video. I'm just going to go back and position it, not backwards. I want it forward, right there. I'm just doing my own little changes that I want. But it's that simple. If you don't want to add an image, don't, just change the name. And you see where my picture is, it's blocking the ramen noodle words. What you can do is just go to position and go backwards and keep clicking backwards till it's in the back. And I'm going to leave it like this. And I'll show you multiple ways that you can seal your ramen package. You can either do it in a light cardstock, glossy cardstock. Pretty Party and Crafty has a treat wrap, specific cardstock for treat wraps, or a sticker paper. So we're going to focus on that. Before you do all of that, you want to go up to File. You're going to double click the name and change it to whatever you want to change it to. Let's just random. You're going to press enter and then it'll save. So now in your Canva account, you're going to have this template for yourself. You're going to go up here to share. You're going to click on download. Going to change it to a PDF print. You're going to select flatten PDF. Then you're going to select download. Now that you have your download, we're going to print. So I am using the Epson EcoTank 16600. I'm going to go to File, Print. I have my printer selected. I'm going to go down here to Media and Quality. I'm sending to the Rare Feeder. We're doing the photo glossy, or I usually use the photo high gloss paper, and it defaults to best quality. I'm just going to print 2 of these. And then I'll show you the multiple ways for you to assemble. I just printed one on the sticker paper because my paper got jammed up. You see my mistake? But anyway, and these are the treat wrap paper. So first we're just going to cut everything out. You can use a scissors or you can use a paper trimmer if you have a larger one. That is on my to-do or to-get list. Okay, so for the sticker paper, when you have the sticker paper, your two options is to either peel the entire backing off and then it'll stick to the entire bag, but you have to be very careful. Or you can trim the edges so that it's easier to work with. You can move the bag around, you know. Get your ramen. We're centering the ramen, and that's where not having it stick. So you can kind of figure out where in the center you need to be. So if you decide to peel off the entire sticky piece, once you place it down, that's it. So if you're going to use sticker paper, I suggest leaving a little bit of the center to have space to maneuver, right? Then you're going to put one side down. Now I left, there's space here, so do not press it with the sticker. It's going to cover. So you're going to trim a little off. You can press it down where you want it and trim that off. Because it is a little too much. I went a little slanted, child. Don't trim it like I did, Lord. Get neater. Also, too, this is why I don't really like the sticker paper. Once you put it down and that's it, I didn't even line it up properly. You need to line it up properly. So that's why I like having like paper I could move around with a little. I don't know. We'll see how it goes because I might say that and then I get over there and then I still mess up. You're going to press those sides together. We're going to trim it off. I'm using the wrong scissors, that's why. This one cuts better. You can trim it with the ramen. It doesn't necessarily have a zigzag edge, but if you want to do a zigzag cut, you're more than welcome. And there go our custom ramen with our sticker paper. So let's try it out now with our double-sided tape. We're going to layer tape around all 4 corners. I'm gonna do this part first. Okay, so we get our ramen. Get it in the center. Try to center it. We're going to put this side first. Then this side here. Now remember what we did where it overlapped? So right here, I'm gonna actually fold that piece so that when I do put it here, it hits here. But when you do it, align it with your square before you press down. So I'm going to use the back of the scissor to just make a sharp line right there. And anytime anyone asks me for any of these treats, unless it's like a bottle that you have to press a sticker on, I do prefer this method with the double-sided tape. Now, let's line that bad boy up neatly. Don't be like we did with the other one. Much better. Squeeze those corners together. Oh, y'all didn't tell me I didn't take off the tape? I know y'all just watching and wondering how we could tell you, but y'all get what I'm saying. Y'all should have told me something. Nobody told me nothing. Press it together. Did I take off the other side? I did. Push that in a little. Press it together. I got a little off right here, but it's okay. We could trim it. Go in and trim off so we don't see the white. This don't necessarily need any trimming, but look at that. See? Okay, for the glue gun, we're going to do this side first. Now again, this side here, it kind of overlaps. So I'm going to actually fold it first where I want it to cut. Now still ain't cut where it was. Okay. And line it up. This actually lined up the best, but I don't like the glue gun option. It's just, for this, it just seems a little more messy, especially if you're not good with the glue gun. So you're gonna fold your area first so you know where you're going to bend it at. Put that glue in. Don't put it right at the tip at the end, because when you squeeze this shut, put the glue in, but don't put it close to the edge, because when you squeeze, that hot glue is going to be coming out on your finger. So you want to be a little bit inside of the bag, right? Not on the edge here. Let me press it together. There's no glue oozing out on your hand. We trim that little bit. Repeat here. We're going to fold exactly where we're going to. There we go. And then get that glue in. Trim that. Trim that little end. And you have your custom ramen. Like that. Don't forget to subscribe if you are new to my channel. If you did not get the template, head on over to thecraftprintshop.com. Get your template. All of the supplies, including template, will be linked in the description of this video. And I'll see you guys for our next upload. Instant ramen packet. And don't forget to subscribe.